Hi students, we are going to start a new chapter for cross section and mass haul. Cross sections are used in the AutoCAD Civil 3D program to allow the user to have a graphic information of design intent as well as to calculate the quantities of material used in the design. All that is needed for section creation is an alignment and a surface. Other objects such as pipe, structures and corridor components can be sampled in a simple line group, which is used to create the graphical section displays in a section view. These sections view and section remaining dynamic throughout the design process, reflecting any changes made to the sampled information. The result is a plot-worthy set of section views and accurate end area volume information. In this chapter, we will learn how to create sample lines, how to create section views, and after creation the section views, how we can define and compute different materials to calculate the quantities, and at the end we will generate volume reports. When the time comes that you want to see how the information along your alignment will appear plotted, you can create sample lines. If your goal is to show your completed design, at this point you should have a completed corridor top surface and corridor bottom surface. So in this chapter we will go through step by step to create our sections, and later we will calculate materials and generate volume reports. So stay tuned with us for more.